Yo, what up? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. You see, I got two Hat Club boxes right here. I'm going to unbox and review these. Stay tuned.
Hat Club got me dripping. Pink brim when you see me. Blue brim when you see me. Red brim when you see me. I'm litty, and I be holding down the city. I'm litty, I be holding down the city.
All right, welcome back, man. So you see, I got the two boxes. We're going to hop right into this, man. Let's go ahead with box number one. Let me go ahead and, you know what time it is, man. We're going to slice it down the middle. Slice it right down the middle. You know what time it is, man. We're going to peel it back. Shout out to the peel back gang, man. You know ain't nothing changed. We still out here. There we go. There we go. Peel back gang is still in full effect. All right. Ooh, let's go. Hat number one. Hat number one. Oh, yes. New York Mets, man. Classic hat right here. Classic Mets, man. Now, this is what I really wanted to get into right here, man. The patch on this joint. This is the New York, I believe it's the fire department. Yeah, this is the New York Fire Department side patch right here, man. And I really have been looking for another New York Mets hat. We got the classic gray bottom on this joint right here, man. And I've been looking for the Mets hat for a while for one reason in particular. And here it is. Boom. This right here. I bought this this Hat Club pen a while back, maybe like a month or two ago. And I've been waiting for a New York Mets hat that I'll be able to use this pen on. And let's see what it looks like, man. I'm gonna go ahead and put this pen on this hat. Here we go. I'm gonna take it off the back right there. Let me see. Go ahead and put it in the hole. There we go. Here we go. This is what we looking like, man, with the pin on there. I like the way that looks. It's coordinating very nicely right there. Let me just get into the hat. It's your standard New York Mets hat. It's all royal blue. You have your orange button top right here. You have your fire department patch, which I really like. We have the Batterman logo in the back, in that blue and orange, which is going to coordinate with the rest of the hat. Gray bottom right here. All black sweatband. I mean, like I said, it's really just a classic, very clean hat. And let me go ahead and try it on for you guys. There we go. Nice fit. Get a little bend. I don't like a whole bunch of bend, a bunch of curve. Here we go. Let me go ahead and give you some of that side patch right there. You feel me? I'm gonna actually lean in so you can get a little bit of that pin action too. You feel me? So yeah. Also, I wanted this hat because I have a couple outfits that go with this color, and all my other Mets were black nasty. So I'm glad to have a good gray in the collection, man. I'll actually try something on so you can see what the hat looks like with one of the fits, something light. You feel me? And here I am right now with an Adidas hoodie on. This is just a simple orange hoodie. You have the white Adidas logo, the white writing, but it matches very well with the New York Mets hat. I mean, you have the orange here, you get a little bit of orange here. So it's not like you're really doing too much, but it is a good match. Now, this will go good with the Yeezy 700, the Wave Runners, or even some all-white shell toes, you feel me? But remember, the hoodie doesn't have to be Adidas. It could be Nike, it could be Champion, it could be Rawlins for all I care, you feel me? But you just want to make sure you get a little bit of that color to match with what the accent is in the hat. So let me just go ahead and give you one of these. Let me go ahead and give you one more turn to the side. Let you see a little bit of that Hat Club pin. Because right now, the pins are in, you feel me? So it doesn't even have to necessarily be a Hat Club pin, but they do have them right now. So if you check the link in my description, you can pick up a pin if you need one to match one of the hats that you just picked up. Now let's get into hat number two, man. Where's the other box? All right, box number two. Right here, we're gonna slice it down the middle, peel it back. Here we go. Peel it back. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, we got a packing slip. Ooh, okay. Oh yeah, this one is coming with the standard Hat Club pen right there. If you can see that. Put that to the side. Okay. Now I've been waiting on this one for a little bit, man. We have the New York Yankees. Now this is from the NBA MLB crossover collection, and it looks just like your plain basic New York Yankees hat, you feel me? We also have that Subway Series side patch right there, but what makes this hat special right here, man, check out that brim, man. We got the maroon burgundy brim, and this was actually my second favorite hat out of this collection. My first favorite was the Toronto Blue Jays, but I mean, I took an L on that, man. I mean, it happens to the best of us. I'm not tripping, man. So I went ahead, after I took that L, I doubled back. I did grab the maroon New York Yankee joint, man. For one, a Yankee is always going to be a classic hat. Then when you get a brim like this, it sets it apart from the pinks and the regular, you know, the icy blues, or, you know, things like that. And I had a polo shirt, a polo rugby style shirt that I said, you know what, this might go with that shirt. So I decided to pick it up, man. Let me go ahead and go to the back. We have the flat Batterman logo on this joint in that maroonish burgundy and navy blue. And initially when I saw the colors, because I was a little confused, like when you think of New York, you think of the Knicks and you think of blue and orange. But the Knicks actually used to wear this maroon color. I think it was 1979 to 83-ish. And I remember Bernard King. Now, Bernard King, he was one of the best scorers in the NBA. And when he played with the Knicks, they did have that jersey. So, just another look at this this maroon brim right here, man. We have the all black sweatband right here. Look at it right here. You have your Cooperstown collection. You have your New Era flag, your hat size right there. And yeah, let me go ahead and take this joint off. Let me go ahead and put on the Yankee. This is a clean Yankee, man. You can never go wrong with a Yankee, man. You can match it with pretty much anything. I will show you the polo shirt that I was talking about. So, you know, maybe you get an outfit idea for, you know, any hats that you have that you might need something to coordinate with, man. I'll be right back with that. And right here, I do have on that polo shirt that I was talking about. It is a long sleeve. It's a rugby style. It has the patches on the elbows. And I feel like it's just a really, really good shirt to wear in this time of year. I mean, it has the hood on it, so it is still hoodie season. You can go hoodie season, but it coordinates with the Yankee hat. Like it's a perfect match. You feel me? You got the navy, you got the maroon, you got the navy, you got the maroon, and I mean, you won't see everybody with this shirt on. So this is one of those things where it'll just kind of set you apart. You go out for a nice dinner, or you just go out to kick it. You feel me, with your partners. You know, everybody might have a different color brim on, but guess what? When you coordinate like this, it says something about you. You feel me? It says that you took the time and you put the effort into coordinating that outfit. You feel me? But that's just me. That's just what I do. Just so you know, Ralph Lauren does make a lot of other like t-shirts and other things with a similar color pattern. So if you got this hat, you know, you might want to look on their website, you know, even check eBay and see what they got in that similar colorway, that so that you can match up, you know, whatever hat you got with a nice, cool, different style shirt. You feel me? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I have more stuff coming. You feel me? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.